Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use TradingView. So, let's get started. TradingView is an online platform designed for charting and analyzing financial markets, offering tools for both new and experienced traders. It provides real-time data on various markets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex and commodities, with customizable charts that can display different visual formats like candlesticks and line charts. The platform allows users to apply technical indicators such as moving averages, RSI, and Bollinger Bands, along with other custom indicators to analyze market trends. In addition to its technical analysis tools, TradingView offers drawing features like trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, and support resistance markers to help traders map out key price levels. Make sure to use the special link in the description to get $15 towards any premium plan on TradingView. A unique aspect of TradingView is its large social network, where traders can share their strategies, post market predictions, and view analyses from other users, fostering a collaborative environment for learning and growth in trading strategies. Let me show you how to use TradingView. First, log into your account using the link I have provided. When you go to TradingView, the screen will load with a default stock, typically Apple, and a volume indicator, which you can remove by hovering over it and clicking the X. If you're using the free version, you'll often be prompted to try their 30-day free trial of the Pro and Pro Plus plans. While these paid versions offer more features, like replay mode for backtesting and the ability to use more than 3 indicators at once, you can still get a lot done with the free plan, especially since many strategies in our community work with just 3 indicators. The top menu bar lets you save layouts, export charts, change your settings. If you're using the Pro version, you can create multiple layouts for different trading strategies. Now, let's explore the toolbar. Starting with symbol search. This tool lets you search for any stock, cryptocurrency, or forex pair. For example, when searching GBP/USD, you'll see different listings from brokers like Kraken, Capital.com, and Oanda. I prefer using Oanda for consistent results across currencies. Next, there's the Compare Add Symbol option, which overlays a second symbol on your chart. You can also adjust your chart's time frame from 1 minute to 1 month views. If you frequently switch between certain time frames, click the star next to your favorites to add them to the toolbar for easy access. As for the chart type, most people stick with standard candles, though there are options like Heikin-Ashi for more advanced traders. Moving on to indicators. Search for popular indicators like the RSI, Relative Strength Index, or browse community-created ones. Once you're part of our community, you'll have access to invite-only scripts with our custom indicators. The Alerts feature lets you set notifications based on price actions, but you'll need an account for this. Multiple alerts are a premium feature. Lastly, the Bar Replay tool allows you to replay price action, a great feature for backtesting strategies. The left toolbar contains tools for drawing on your charts. You'll find trend lines, horizontal lines, and vertical lines, as well as the Fibonacci retracement tool. The brush and rectangle tools are great for marking support and resistance levels. You can also add notes, arrows, and even prediction tools like long-short positions to visualize trades. On the right-hand side, you can customize your watch list by adding and removing assets. Below that, you'll see alerts, news, public chats, and streams. Finally, when doing technical analysis, you can draw trend lines, add indicators like moving averages, and simulate trades to see how a strategy might play out. For example, using a long position tool, you can calculate your risk-to-reward ratio and measure how long a trade took to complete. These are all the key features you need to know about TradingView. Make sure to use the special link in the description to get $15 towards any premium plan on TradingView.